good session on this today.
Nice.
Hey, babe. Miss Wendy said that was an especially good session on decompression.
Were they?
Heard that, didn't you? It's always a little bit different, so. Yes, please.
Hey, baby. Hey, buddy. Oh, teddy bear?
Yeah, it was relaxing and it did its job.
Good, good, good. That's what we like to hear.
The only thing I've noticed with him is he has a lot of tension. Like he's tight. And babies should not be tight. They should be relaxed.
Are you about to get adjusted?
Sometimes when we have misalignments, it creates tension and we get tightness through the body. That's what I see with a lot of kids. As we make adjustments, the goal is to get everything to become more relaxed. Does that make sense?
Он сжатый такой весь.
Зажатый tight. Ага, нужно need adjustments.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm adjusting him now. But he still has a lot of tension in his body.
You said that perfectly, whatever you did.
Great.
Hi, Miss Wendy. Who, me or the baby?
Well, y'all both are. Have a good one.
You too, Miss Wendy. Good, so I adjusted here
Okay.
and then down here. And that's the two most important, is the top and bottom. And also in the middle here, I made some adjustments too.
Okay.
And that's for the chest area. Just kind of open it up, make sure it's moving good there.
Okay.
But this excavatum, I can't remember the name, but when it comes in, we do have to keep an eye on that with doctor, just make sure nothing doesn't get worse or anything. But most people, it's okay. We don't have to worry about it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay? All right.